Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change the Gmail theme and inbox layout in the mobile application, and I'm going to show you how to do it both on the Android and iPhone as well. So let's get started. So to change the theme layout on the Android, it's quite straightforward. You just open the menu, or rather open the app first, then open the menu by tapping on this icon right here. And once you open the menu, scroll down, tap on settings, and here you should see the general settings option selected. Oh, not this one, general one. And here we have the theme, and you can tap on it, and we have light theme, dark theme, and system default. Dark theme changes the theme to dark, light theme is the light theme, and system default is the one that is set on your system, and the app will follow it basically. So select the one you like, and then you can close the app. To do this on the iPhone, it's less straightforward because the app on the iPhone doesn't have this setting built in. So if you go to the app, go to menu, settings, and scroll through the settings, there is no theme option, unfortunately, right here. And to change the theme from, let's say, dark to light or light to dark, you need to change the whole system layout. And to do it, you go to settings. Actually, let me go back. And in settings, you need to find the display and brightness, and here we have light and dark theme. So select the one you like, and once you select the main or system theme, you can go back to app, and you will see that the theme is applied in the app as well. And to change the inbox layout, it's a bit simpler on both devices. You go to the app on the Android, of course you go to settings, and in settings you look for the account you want to change settings for. In this case it's going to be hard reset for me, and here I have this inbox type, and you can select important, default, unread first, start first, and priority box. So select the type you like. Basically it will sort the in the inbox type. Let's say if you select start first, the inbox type called start will appear right here at the top next to normal inbox. And if you select something like let's say important one, the important one will appear at the top. So if let's select the important and go to the menu, the important one will appear right here. And on the iPhone it also is quite simple. You just open the app. You of course need to open the settings, so tap on menu icon, go to settings, and here tap on inbox type. And we have important first, unread first, start first, and priority inbox. So select the one you like, and then go back, I believe, and it should show you the inbox right here, the start inbox at the top. Okay, and that's how you change the theme and the inbox layout in the mobile application for the Gmail app. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.